What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how you can buy Rev points on the Revolut app. So let's get started. Also, if you guys are interested in stock market trading or stock investing with zero fees associated, you can sign up to Trading 212 using my link from the description below and then input the promo code from the description to get a free stock worth up to $100, euros or pounds depending on your currency. And now let's continue. Now, first off, once you log in, you would just need to go to the Rev Points tab in the bottom right corner. From here, once you're on the Rev Points tab, you would just need to scroll down a bit until you can see the spare change option. So just go ahead and click on the spare change option, and this allows you essentially to just buy Rev points with each Revolut transaction. So if you click on this right here, you'll be able to see how much Rev points you will get with each euro spent. So you can just mess around with this or increase it or decrease it to your liking. And to enable it, just go ahead and click done right here. And now this will be enabled. So what this does is essentially with each transaction, the spare change will be rounded up and that will be spent for Rev points. So that's guys how you can buy Rev points on Revolut. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.